Alright everyone, so I just installed, well not just, it's been a little while, long enough for her to get it muddy. Put a Rugged Ridge trailer hitch on my girlfriend's Jeep. It has a nice little plug that wired in just fine. I made a little video of showing where the wire goes. There are 4 bolts, boom, 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 approximately. I was able to do it without dropping the muffler. It comes up here over, the wire comes in up underneath. Down, where's my finger? There's a whole access hole way back in here, and it's actually right there. Comes down, there's little holes in the frame that pops into. There's gonna be a video following this showing that. It comes up into this light and wires in so that you have brake lights and running lights. Works perfectly, hooked it up to the little trailer, works just dandy. So I'd recommend if, I mean, it's a pretty cheap way to get a trailer hitch. So no complaints. We're playing with number 1. Trailer hitches offer a little bit of rear protection if you drop off a rock ledge or a dirt ledge. You can ride down on the trailer hitch. Number 2, it's a good spot to pull you out at. Number 3, you can tow trailers. So this is being real quick. It's cold outside and I'm shivering. So yeah, real quick installation review. There will be several videos showing when I did put it in, what it was like to install. It looks nice on here, and yeah, it does the job. So that's all you need to have. Thanks for tuning in, everyone.